Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. 22nd of July, Friday, and that means we're gonna have a look at Bitcoin. Alright, so let's see what's going on, because a lot of people think that at this point we're about to see a trend reversal. But the only thing that we have so far is this kind of pullback here where price breaks above that previous high, and everyone starts going crazy over that. It's because a lot of people want to see Bitcoin starting another bullish run. However, what we need to pay attention to is what is the current trend, right? And we are in a massive downtrend, which hasn't yet reversed. It is still too early to say that. And that's because looking at, this last move right here, for everyone who's been following us here on YouTube or TradingView, or if you are a member of ours, you know very well how much we like to use the Fibonacci 2s in our trading, right? So if you place your Fibonacci 2 on that last move right here, what we see is that price is currently trading at the 38.2% retracement level, which is totally fine. And if I have to be honest, it's even better if we see price all the way up here at the 61.8% level. Alright, so every time you've got such an impulse, it's even better for market to go back to that 61.8 level, because it gives it, a healthier retracement in the trend. And in order for this trend to continue, we want to see those kind of a deeper pullbacks, right? So price can then accumulate more orders and continue this downtrend, right? And this is just the last impulse. Now, if we place that Fibonacci across the, the bigger move that we've got here, and basically the impulse that starts from around the 48k level, we haven't even tapped into that 23.6 retracement level, which is the first one. All right. So to me, I think there's still some more room to the upside, but then at some point we're most likely going to see price continuing lower. All right. So let's go back to the hourly time frame. Now, what do I think is going to happen is we're most likely going to push to the downside. We're coming to around 20,000 level here, most likely not going to break below that, but then we will see that next push higher. All right. And if we look at the 4-hour time frame again, and where we were a second ago, let me just bring that Fibonacci right here. Like I said, I'm expecting that we are most likely going to see 61.8 retracement level tapped right here. And, there's no point to talk about trend reversal while price is trading below, those previous highs. So if I have to be honest, I'm looking at this level right here. Okay, also the 61.8 level, and all of that is below the 30k. Okay, so anywhere below the $30,000 mark, we don't consider this as a trend reversal, but just as a healthy pullback. Okay, so the first sign for a possible trend reversal would be if price breaks above, those previous highs. So if it does something like this, and depending on how it gets there, depending on how it breaks above those previous highs, then we can possibly talk about, trend reversal and a continuation higher, right? But like I said, we've got the 38.2 retracement level on the bigger move that I just showed you, which fits right around, again, just below the 30k level. We've also got the 61.8 retracement level on this last impulse, the smaller impulse. And so we've got, a few Fibonacci levels matching at this level. We've also got that previous structure here. We've also got previous highs, which we're not expecting to be broken. And that's exactly why I'm saying, price may come up to around 28, 29k, and this is actually going to be a pretty decent level to sell from here. Okay, so as you can see, I'm definitely not expecting a trend reversal yet. What I'm expecting though is to see a deeper pullback, and a lot of people, I believe, will enter short positions right here. And that's the right thing, because we are in a downtrend. We don't yet have any signs of trend reversal. What we have, like I said, is just a pullback, right? So looking at price action right now and where we currently are, I don't think, right now we should be looking for short positions, because like I said, first I'm expecting to see a little bit of a downside move towards the 20k level, maybe slightly above that, we'll see, and then I'm expecting to see that push higher. But right now I don't think there's any point to enter a sell trade and try and catch this move right here. And at the same time, I don't think there's any point from here to enter a long trade and expect for price to go to around 29,000. All right, so the best thing to do here would be to wait for price to do what it's gonna do, and as soon as it comes, to that previous structure around the 29,000 level, best thing to do would be to enter a short position right here only after a confirmation. Maybe you want to see some lower structure here, some minor retest, continuation lower. Maybe you want to see some rejection wicks, pin bars, engulfing candles, whatever your entry technique is, that's what you want to wait for. But all the way up here around the 29,000 level, basically below those previous highs. All right, that's where I'm expecting price will come up to, and it will then reverse and continue lower. Okay, now don't forget that we've got Fed's interest rate decision next week. All right, last time they did affect price action here on Bitcoin, and we are now expecting again another hike in the interest rate decision by Fed. So I'm pretty sure we're gonna have some volatility across the US dollar pairs, and also here on Bitcoin as well. So it really depends also not just by how much are they going to raise the interest rate decision, but what are they going to say on the press conference after that. Because if they're going to continue increasing the interest rate decision, then that's going to have a bigger impact on the currency pairs and on the instruments overall. If they say that as of right now this will be it, then this could be positive for most of the pairs, for Bitcoin as well. But we'll see how that's going to go. Of course, next week we're going to have a look at Bitcoin as well, basically next Friday. Before that, every Monday, every Wednesday, we also post analysis on gold, on euro dollar. So make sure to subscribe to this channel. Also check out all the links in the description below this video, and follow us on social media. And last but not least, don't forget to join our free Telegram channel where we post more daily content and trading setups as well. Like I said, there's going to be a link in the description below this video for that as well. So that's all. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to watch our last two videos where you can find more valuable information. Check out our channel for more trading related videos. I wish you all a successful trading, and I'll see you next time.